Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud owner of the Apple MacBook Air 13 A1466, then you know how crucial it is to have a high-quality display. And that's where our product comes in, the Apple MacBook Air 13 A1466 LCD LED full-screen display assembly. This genuine new A1466 LCD is the perfect replacement for your MacBook Air display, and let me tell you, it's absolutely stunning. With its full-screen LED display, you'll experience vibrant colors, sharp images, and crystal clear clarity. Whether you're working on important documents, editing photos and videos, or simply browsing the web, this display will enhance your visual experience in every way. Not only does it provide an incredible viewing experience, but it's also incredibly easy to install. You don't need to be a tech expert to replace your old display with this one. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. And once it's in place, you'll feel like you have a brand new MacBook Air. So, why should you invest in this display assembly? Well, if you want to continue enjoying the high-quality performance of your MacBook Air, then this is a must-have. Don't let a subpar display hold you back from fully experiencing the power and beauty of your device. Upgrade to the Apple MacBook Air 13 A1466 LCD LED full-screen display assembly and take your MacBook Air to the next level. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this incredible product in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the link to get your hands on this game-changing display assembly. Your MacBook Air will thank you for it.